Hello everybody. Now we'll discuss about the Venn diagrams. This comes under the subtopics of the sets chapter. In maths there is a chapter called sets. In that subtopic now we'll discuss Venn diagrams. So Venn diagrams part 1 we'll be discussing. By Venn diagrams, meaning of Venn diagrams means in diagrams we have to mention. We have already learned operations of sets A union B. In this part 1 we will discuss about A union B and A intersection B. This is the symbol of intersection, this is the symbol of union, A union B. Okay. So how to represent, there will be given two sets. From that A union B will be finding in the roster form we will get. So that we can convert into set builder form also. So that roster form we will get the answer. That can be converted into Venn diagrams. That roster form should be converted into Venn diagrams. In diagrams we have to show. So that we will be learning in this video. A union B and A intersection B. In the universal set, in the previous video I have discussed that in rectangle box we will be mentioning. In rectangle box we will do the diagrams. Rectangle and mu we will write here. Mu or M. Mu or U. It is called as universal set. Combined means all together elements are called as universal set. So this set A is there, set B is there. In this rectangle how we will write that? With the help of the circles. Set A elements are there now. Set A elements we will be writing in the one set. So set B elements also will be writing in the other set. Overall in the rectangle box mu, universal set. So this is the brief introduction of the Venn diagrams, how we will denote it. So by the examples we will understand how to draw. Example we will take. A is equals to 1, 2, 3. B is equals to, set B is equals to 1, A, B. This is the example here. Set A contains of elements of 1, 2, 3. Set B containing elements 1, A, B. Okay. Here alpha numeric set. Here only numeric set. Alpha numeric. Alphabets are there. One number is there. So this is alpha numeric. Set B. Set A is only numeric. Numbers are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. First we will do by the roster form. Next we will denote it in the, we will learn how to draw in the Venn diagram style. A union B. How we will do? A union B. We have to take, first we will write 1, 2, 3 union. Union symbol is this. Set A is 1, 2, 3 and B. Set B is 1, A, B. Okay. Union matlab all together. All together हम combine. We have to combine all the elements present in set A, set B. Means here one is there, here one is there. Only one time we have to write. All we have to combine. No repetition. Sets. Already we have discussed. In sets there are no repetitions. So here 1, 2, 3, A, B. We are combining the two sets. There are two sets given. We are combining both. So that is called as union. But here one is there, here one is there. We will not take two times. Because repetitions is not allowed. One will be taken only one time. Again 2, 3, A, B. Yes. In the roster form we got as A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, A, B. Now we learn how to draw in the Venn diagrams. This answer A union B is in roster form we got as 1, 2, 3, A, B. In Venn diagrams we will see now. So first we have to draw the rectangle box. Rectangle box, in that mu. At the top corner we will write the universal set. Mu or U. Letter capital U. Okay, here two sets are given. Set A and set B. So we have to draw two diagrams. Two circles we have to draw. But two circles circles we are drawing. Two circles we have to draw. But what is the definition of union here? We are combining the two sets, and finally we are getting the A union B answer in the row star form. So according to the question, we have to do here diagram, circles. Here one is there and here also one is there. So in set A and set B there is at least one element common is there. So that time like this we have to draw. Here one will come. I will explain. One. Why one is coming here? Because one. See, this is the one circle, and same that is also one circle. Like this and like this we are taking. This full is one circle and this is one circle. In both circles we are taking as one. Why? Because we are representing a set. One set as one circle we are representing. So one is present in set A and set B. So we are taking one as common here. Means one belongs to set A, set B. Set A is where we are denoting by the circle. So it belongs to this circle, and one belongs to the second circle also here. So in middle we are taking the one. Like every Venn diagram will be taken like this. Means according to the question, if there are common elements in both set A and set B, we are going to take like this diagram. Okay, one is first we will write the set A elements. One we are taken as in both it is common, we are taken one. Remaining are 2, 3. Here 2, 3 is not repeated. So 2, 3 we will write. For example, not in this question. For example, we will take here 2 is there. A comma 2 comma B. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there. So we will be writing 2 in middle again. Here 2 will come again. But in this question, we have not taken 2. So no need. In another example, we will see that one. 2, 3. This is set A completed. Set A and set B denoted by the two circles. One circle contains 1, 2, 3 elements. Now B contains remaining what? A, B. Right here. So it contains 1 A, B. 1 A, B. Set A contains 1, 2, 3. 1 is common here. Yes. This is the diagrammic representation of the A union B. Now next step what we have to do is, first we have to do in the row star form. What will get the answer? 1, 2, 3 A, B. Means here, by not doing the row star form also we can identify. We are, as you know, union definition is combining all the elements into one set. So we have to shade like this. Not shading, like lines we have to draw. So by that we can understand that A union B. From the Venn diagram we have to know the answers. From Venn diagrams we have to know the answers. A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3 A, B. As 1 is common, only one time we will write. Remaining 2, 3 A, B. Yes. This is the Venn diagrammic representation. Venn diagram representation in row star form also same answer we got. So here we have to understand that union, combining of two sets, will shade full set A, set B. Combining this inside one also will shade, because one we are taking in the set. Okay, now we will discuss about the A intersection B. Same example, A intersection B we will do. A intersection B. Intersection means first union is combining all the elements which are in common, also we will combine that one. A intersection means only common elements we will be taking in set A and set B. Common elements we will be writing in the set. If there is no common element, empty set, or like this 5. But here there is a common element called as 1. So set contain A intersection B is 1. Answer. In the flower brackets we will be denoting 1. Why? Because here only one element is common. In set A, set B, one element is common. That's why we will be writing 1 here. Okay, now Venn diagram will do. This is the rectangle box. Mu. Circles. Two circles. Two sets. Two circles. A, B. Yes. A is containing 1, 2, 3. B is containing 1 AB. Here 1 is the common element. Common element we will be writing here. Intersection. Like intersection, they are common. Only 1 is common. Remaining 2, 3, A, B. Intersection means which is the common element, we will take that one as answer. Here which is the common element in both the sets? 1. The 1 element is common. So in diagram we will represent like this. Intersection. Example, these are the two circles and middle one is like this. This middle one is like this. Only middle one we have to shade. Because answer is only 1. Answer is not coming 2, 3, AB. So we are taking only 1. So answer goes to 1 answer. Okay. This is the explanation. Venn diagrams part 1. A union B, A intersection B. In further videos we will discuss part 2 and examples. More examples we will be seeing how to do in Venn diagrams. Thank you.